Hello my friends! So some of you wanted to know how I made this burnt looking guitar finish. So I thought, why not make a short video and show you how. So on these three guitars I did a French polish as a clear finish. But on this guitar I'm going to show you, I just used spray lacquer and I think it turned out nice. For this project you need a guitar body you're willing to sacrifice, a propane torch or a weed burner, a brush, various grids of sandpaper, amber shellac as a sealer or any other kind of sanding sealer, a clear gloss spray lacquer and a fine abrasive paste for rubbing out the finish. I'm burning the guitar body with a weed burner until the old paint is completely gone. Once the body is cooled down, I remove the soot with a brush. Then I use some sandpaper to remove some more of the soot and the burnt wood. But I don't want to sand too much, so I stop sanding once I like how it looks. Some burnt parts of the guitar body are a little punky and still sooty, so I apply a few coats of an amber shellac as a sealer. If you don't have shellac, you can use any kind of sanding sealer, but I like the amber color of the shellac. Once the shellac had time to dry, I sand the guitar with 220 grit up to 400, just to remove any brush marks and prepare the surface for the final clear coat. As a clear coat I apply several coats of a glossy spray lacquer. I start the spray off the edge and I overlap the spray about halfway onto the previous spray section. As a final step to remove dust occlusions and overspray, I use a fine abrasive paste for rubbing out the finish. Well, that's basically all there is to it. But bear in mind, this doesn't always work. Sometimes you burn away too much of the wood, like in this case. So please do me a favor and don't take your favorite Gibson, Gretsch or Fender guitar and play with fire. Until next time.